Hello students, today we are going to learn the first chapter from 4th Standard English Balbati Unit 1, and it is a poem. The name of the poem is Rain in the Night. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It'll make a lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first, I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. This poem, students, is written by the poetess Amelia Josephine Burr. The poetess Amelia Josephine Burr was born in New York City. She completed her education from Hunter College. She also worked for Red Cross in the year 1917 and 1918. She was born in the year 1878 and left this world in the year 1968. She lived almost for 90 years. This poem is about the rain and surrounding which we see during the rain. The very first line of the poem is raining, raining all night long. The main character of this poem is a girl child. She is narrating her experience of rain in this poem. She is saying that it has been raining all through the night. The second line, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. As we know that the music in the song is sometimes loud and sometimes it is soft. The girl is comparing the rain with the song and saying when there is thunder sound, it is loud and soft when the intensity of the rain is light. Third line, sorry. There will be rivers in the gutters. Now, during the rainy season, the water from the street is carried off into the gutters. The gutters means the channels at the edge of a street. When there is heavy rain, the gutters get overflooded with water and just look like rivers and lakes along the street. Due to heavy rain, the streets and the roads get flooded with water. There is waterlogging on the streets if the heavy rain continues for a long time. The next line, it will make a lazy kitty. Now see, this is the picture of a cat. Kitty means cat. This is a lazy kitty sleeping most of the time. Lazy means not willing to work. Washes little dirty feet. Now when we can see in the picture, the lazy kitty is washing his little dirty feet in the water that has gathered on the street. The roses will wear diamonds. Here, the roses doesn't wear diamonds in the real sense, but when the raindrops fall on the rose, it appears to look like diamonds, like kings and queens at court. Girl child is comparing the raindrops with the diamonds that the kings and queens wear at court. Now we all know the kings and queens wear crowns over their head, and the crowns are studded with precious stones and diamonds. Now the kings and queens wear diamonds and sit at court. The court is a place where the kings and the queens sit with their courtiers. But the pansies all get muddy. See, this is a picture of the pansies. They are very colorful flowers, small plants of flowers having purple, yellow, or white velvety petals. The pansies will get muddy because they are so short. See the picture, pansies getting muddy in rainwater because they are very short in height. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. The children love to play in the rainy season by making paper boats and sailing them in the rain waters. So the girl is telling us that she'll sail her boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. And the very last line of the poem. But first, I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Now as we can see in the picture, the girl with the watering pot in her hand is washing the pansies' faces that has gotten muddy in the rain.